Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will solve division word problems using multi-digit division with group size unknown and the number of groups unknown. The TEKS we will focus on today are 5.3C, 5.3F, 5.3G, and 5.4B. All right, let's go ahead and jump right to it. So we're going to get right into our problem today. So our problem for today is Valerie uses 12 fluid ounces of detergent each week for her laundry. If there are 75 fluid ounces of detergent in the bottle, in how many weeks will she need to buy a new bottle of detergent? Explain your thinking. Okay, so now let's go ahead and reread this problem and figure out what information we know. So Valerie uses 12 fluid ounces of detergent each week for her laundry. So she uses 12 fluid ounces of detergent each week for her laundry. If there are 75 fluid ounces of detergent in the bottle, in how many weeks will she need to buy a new bottle of detergent? So we want to figure out in how many weeks will she need to buy a new bottle of detergent. All right, let's go ahead and draw a picture. So we know that Valerie uses 12 fluid ounces in 1 week. Okay, I'm gonna put on WE for week. Now, she uses 12 fluid ounces in each week, right? But one bottle has 75. Ooh, I made this really close up here. Sorry, guys. So a bottle has 75 fluid ounces. She uses 12 bottles a week, right? So it's their second week. So she just keeps doing this until she's out of detergent. But we're not really sure how many weeks that she will run out of detergent, right? We just know that every week she's going to be using 12 ounces. She uses the same amount every week. So we have equal number of groups and we have our total amount, right? So we can definitely divide to figure out how many weeks that we have. We know how many ounces she uses each week, but now we got to figure out how many weeks. So let's go ahead and divide. So I have my dividend is 75. Now our divisor, the number of fluid ounces we have, or the number we have in each group, is 12. So now let's go ahead and divide and see how many fluid ounces she's going to have. Okay, so now I got to figure out how many times can I divide 75 into 12. So I know that 12 times 5 is 60. Okay, 60 take away 75 is 15. So we can go ahead and divide 75 6 times. So if I know 12 times 5 is 60, 12 plus, 12 plus 60 is 72. So now how much do we have left over? So we have 3 fluid ounces left over. Okay. Now we can go ahead and we can actually break this down. And let's go ahead and try and break down to see how many decimals we have. So let's go into our tenths and see how many we can go through. So we have 30. So how many times can 30 go into 12? Well, 2 times 12 is 24. So we used up 24, right? 2 times 12 is 24. So we're going to go ahead and subtract, see how many we have left over. So we have 6 tenths left over. Let's go ahead and bring down our hundredths and see if we can go ahead and use that up. So now we have 60 tenths of an ounce left. So if we have 60 divided by 12, that's going to be 5 because 5 times 12 is 60. So 5 times 12 is 60. So now we have a remainder of 0, right? Ooh, and I don't know why that's acting up. So now we have a remainder of 0 when we subtract. So we added this decimal here, right? So now we have to go ahead and bring our decimal up because this is how many tenths we used, tenths and hundredths. So Valerie will run out of detergent after 6 and 25 hundredths of a week, right? But she needs to use exactly 12 ounces of detergent every week. So after 6 weeks, she will need to buy new detergent. So let's go ahead and write that down. So Valerie, because now we're going to write this in a complete sentence. We're in our write process. So Valerie will need, and I'm going to change the color. Let's do it to purple. Will need to buy detergent after 6 weeks. Now let's go ahead and make sure we answer this part. Explain how you know. So she will have a little bit left over. A little bit left over. But let me go ahead and shrink that. But not enough for 7 weeks. She'll have enough for 6, but she will not have enough for 7 weeks. Okay, let's take a review of today's lesson objective. So today we solved division word problems involving multi-digit division with group size unknown and the number of groups unknown. All right, everybody. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. This was so great to have you join me in today's lesson, and I'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day, everyone. Bye.